Today we're designing a clean, modern carousel series for Instagram. Start by creating multiple artboards inside Photoshop. Establish a consistent grid with guidelines for spacing. Pick a minimal color palette, 3 main tones only. Use large, bold typography on the first slide to grab attention. For each slide, create structured layouts with aligned icons, boxed text, and breathable negative space. Use masking to frame images inside geometric shapes. Add small arrows or flow indicators so users understand the progression. Apply subtle shadows behind card elements to keep the design flat but layered. Finish with a branded footer bar across all slides for cohesive identity.